In this video, we'll go through the real reasons why a Samsung Tab stops charging and explain practical fixes step by step, starting from the simplest solution to the ones that need more attention. Step 1. Charger issues. The most common reason a Samsung Tab does not charge is a faulty cable or adapter. USB-C cables wear out over time even if they look fine from the outside. Low-quality chargers or non-Samsung adapters may also fail to provide enough power. Always test your tablet with a different cable, a different adapter, and a wall socket instead of a laptop USB port to rule out basic power problems. Step 2. Dirty port. Dust, lint, and debris can collect inside the charging port and block the connection between the charger and the tablet. This is especially common if the tablet is used without a case. Turn the tablet off and carefully inspect the charging port using a flashlight. Gently clean it with compressed air or a soft brush. Avoid metal objects as they can damage the charging pins permanently. Step 3. Software glitch. Sometimes the tablet is charging, but a software bug prevents the battery status from updating correctly. Restarting the tablet can refresh the system and restore normal charging behavior. If a normal restart does not work, perform a force restart by holding the power button and volume down button together until the Samsung logo appears. This does not delete any data and often fixes charging detection issues. Step 4. Safe mode test. Third-party apps can interfere with charging by using too much power in the background. Booting the tablet into safe mode temporarily disables all downloaded apps. If the tablet charges normally in safe mode, it means an app is causing the issue. You can then uninstall recently installed apps one by one to identify the problem. Step 5. System update. Outdated software can sometimes cause charging bugs, especially after Android updates. Samsung regularly releases patches that fix battery and power issues. Go to Settings, open Software Update, and install any available updates. Keeping your tablet updated improves charging stability and overall performance. Step 6. Hardware damage. If none of the fixes work, the issue may be hardware related. A damaged charging port, worn-out battery, or internal connection problem can prevent charging entirely. This usually happens after drops, water exposure, or long-term use. At this point, visiting an authorized Samsung service center is the safest option to avoid further damage.